Good morning, folks. This is a handy video on roof replacement. In the last month, we have had severe thunderstorms and hail damage. So, after several inspections, it has been determined that the roof needs replacement. Don't panic yet. Yeah, it's a lot of money if you go the ignoramus way. The best approach I've taken is to be my own general contractor and purchase the best materials and a very good installer to do the stripping and installation. It's not exactly rocket science, and it's not that difficult either. As a disclaimer, I am no roofing expert. This is just for information. Use it the best you want, or ignore it. Up to you. So, having said that, the first step is to strip the old shingles which are damaged, which the crew will come and do today, down to the roofing boards and the water barrier, and that would look something like this. Here's a house under construction, and after putting the OSB boards to cover the roofing, they have sealed it with this Pro Armor Owens Corning sealing material. Make sure you have all the waterproofing done accurately with the flashings wherever you have mating surfaces, and make sure you have drainage for the valleys with the flashings, and applying a water seal on top of it, which is again comes in rolls, as well as cement, and you can apply that. This is the foundation, and this has to be 100% waterproof. No if, buts, and ands. If you mess this up, that's it. So make sure that you inspect it, make sure you're watching over it. So this is the part one of preparation. Today the crew will come to strip the shingles off this roof over here, and that'll be part two of the video. Thank you. Enjoy.